welcome to property118.com. My name's Mark Alexander. I've been investing in property since 1989, but the purpose of this video is to tell you a bit about my former day job prior to setting up property118.com. I set up a commercial finance brokerage in 1990 and very quickly had to learn what commercial lenders want to see from a proposal. You wouldn't believe the amount of business funding proposals that I've read, some 1, 2, 3 inches thick, and I've got right to the end and actually thought to myself, what is it that these people want? So I created a summary that I called the PSPS report. Basically it stands for purpose of loan, serviceability, pedigree of the borrower and the security on offer, because that's the way that business financiers think. So let's start with purpose. What the lender wants to know is how much you want to borrow, over what term, and what you're going to use the money for. It really is as simple as that. Serviceability is how you're going to repay the debt. So they're going to want to see things like accounts, bank statements, projections, and a little bit more understanding of how the business actually works. Pedigree is about your experience as whatever you do. So whatever business you're in, they want to know how long you've been doing it, the people that you're employing, your key staff, and all those types of things. They're going to run credit checks on you. They're going to want to see your bank statements to make sure that you're honouring your existing commitments. They're going to want to know a little bit more about your customer base, how they pay you, how you handle your cash flow, and all of those types of things. Finally, security. The reason that's last on the list is that lenders don't want to be repossessing your property or taking action against your business to recover your money. They want to make sure that the first 3 things are right, and then they'll never have to rely on security. Security really is a fail-safe. Whether you're looking to borrow £10 or £10 million, the basic principles are the same. Think of it this way. You go to your local pub, you've forgotten your wallet, your friend's with you, and a friend of a friend that you've never met before is also with you. It's your round, you need to borrow some money, you ask your friend and he hasn't got enough on him. He's just got enough to buy his round, it was just a quick visit to the pub. So now you've got to ask your friend's friend that you've never met before to lend you some money. The first thing you're going to say to him is how much you want to borrow. The next thing in his mind is, when am I going to get my money back? He then might think to himself, can I trust this guy? And he'll ask his other friend, who's a mutual friend and knows you a lot better, am I likely to get my money back? And if he doesn't trust you, he might want to take your watch as security. If you're borrowing £10 million, it's no different. It's the same type of questions, just the level of detail is obviously going to be a lot more. I hope you found that video useful, and please come back to property118.com.